before. Now turn on the light. YouTube channel again. So ngayon magluluto tayo ng sitaw. Tara. Sitaw with manok. So, tagal na namin hindi nakapagulay. An open dreams from a far place. When I hear us welcome, looking faint for me, our crowd will cheer. When they say my face, and voice keeps saying, so, hugasan muna natin yung manok. Galing freezer. Tubig. So, one more. A cup of water. 1 glass. So, later, ano na natin siya. Lagyan na natin ng ingredients. What do you call this one? Yung mga panlasa. Simple lang to ha. So, lagyan natin ng toyo. Kasing toyo. Oh. Sino walang toyo dyan? So, nilagyan ko na ng toyo. Kasing toyo ng lahat. So, lagyan natin ng suka. Siyempre, ang toyo ay dapat may partner. So, lagyan nito konti ng toyo. Ito mo naman, mahilig tayo sa mga toyo. Ang toyo. So, anuhin lang natin. Ubusan ako ng cubes. Para lagyan natin siya ng, kung meron pa dito ako makalungkat, yung, kalimutan ko yung pangalan. Oyster. So, let's put, para may tamis-tamis, maalam-alam, maasim-asim. Kasing asim na lahat. So, lagyan natin ng, ay, napadami eh. Lagyan natin ng asukal kasi medyo yung lalagyan mo natin siya ng sa pamintang durog. So, after that, maglalagyan na natin ng asukal. So, inabsorb na yung inabsorb yung sabaw. ilalagay natin siya dito sa mangkok na transparent. So, let's go. So, I'm gonna off the fire. I see you beside me. It's only a dream. And you should know what used to be. The laughter, the sorrow, pictures in time, fade into memories. How could I let you go? Is it too late to let you know? I tried to roll your side, but each place I hide only reminds me. I needed my freedom, that's what I thought. But I was a fool to believe my heart lied while you cried tears of tears. Just like and subscribe. Everything we've been through before